Hello and welcome to an update about Rose Oasis protocol. I made a video on the 9th of January and gave you significant support levels in these areas here. Yeah, so I did highlight them for you in red, and these were obviously support levels from where the price could bounce off. And hopefully I made the video just in time for anybody who was interested in taking a trade or to go into the into Rose Oasis, because since then it has obviously massively gone up. I did tell you at the time that it looked fairly strong, that eventually I do expect the price to come down here. Yeah, but only if this is going to be pretty much what Bitcoin is doing, an A, B, C correction. What you can of course see here is something like a potentially more complex correction. I would still prefer that we are going to come down here in this area here eventually, like so many other cryptos are doing it, which would be sitting between the 0.887 and the 0.786 FIB level, between 17.8 and 21 cents. But because you don't know, the idea is to dollar cost average in at or one way of doing it is to dollar cost average in at least at these support levels when the price is turning around. That is a possibility, of course, no financial advice, just a possible way of doing it. In the end, this is obviously up to you, but we can see that the price found good support here. We could see in my last video that we made here a bullish divergence was forming on the 4-hour chart, a potential buy signal, and the next buy signal that we had was here, this on the 4-hour chart, the decreasing selling momentum, on the MACD. So all of this pointed you to an upswing potentially, or at least a bounce of the support, and we did find support here eventually at the 50-day moving average. That is exactly when I made the video here, targeted this area here, and from there we eventually bounced off. So that is looking good. We are looking very strong here. Now, obviously, we need to take care, because on the 4-hour chart, you're getting nearly overbought. And on the daily, you are not overbought yet. So there is still scope to move higher. Only on the daily, we are now turning around here on the MACD as well. So there is potential for further upside. What we need to see, that ABC move that I indicated on the chart would be invalidated if we break through 45 cents. Yeah. Or not even 45, if we break above 46, I think it will get much less likely that you're going to see this ABC move play out. Yes, the B wave could theoretically come a little bit higher, and then you would see the C wave come down eventually. But overall, what you could be seeing here is also an upswing. So basically a 1, 2, 3. This was not the wave 4, so you would still be in a wave 3. So you have another 1, 2 here. So you basically go into the lower degree wave. Based on the Elliott wave method, and again that speaks for an extended wave up, but it could also still be a corrective wave, basically, because this is my assumption for the entire crypto market. At the moment, speculating here long, for me it would be too risky personally, basically because I would now want to wait. I mean, we're now at 42 cents. I would want to wait. What does the price do at this previous support resistance level, 45 cents, and or even at the all-time high here at 46.6. I think 45 is the more relevant level, but if the price goes through, I think we can see much higher prices, basically because we still have space on the indicators, and basically because this could become a nice 5-wave move. Overall, it's looking fairly strong, to be honest. Made the video here at the low, at the dip, made you aware this could be a bounce, and now we're moving higher. But now going in, FOMOing in, personally, I would wait to see what happens here at this 45 cents. Do we bounce off? Maybe buying a dip would be a possibility. You could basically bounce off here, come back to the previous FIB level here at 38.6 cents, and then move up. But certainly there is space on the indicators to the upside, and it's looking very strong at the moment. So that is the message. Would want to wait because we're coming close to a resistance level. So I would want to see if the level gets broken or not. Okay, hopefully you liked the quick update about Rose. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.